Will the external libraries, for example, libp2p, be used to help us build Agoras? For example, IPFS can integrate into Telnet using APIs to store our software or knowledge.
Yes, absolutely. As we'll see in a little bit later during the development update, Andre has been very active working on external libraries like P2P, like crypto, to help implement an Agoras node. Essentially, he'll tell us more details about that. Specifically, IPFS, yes, why not? We can certainly consider using IPFS, probably not for the core software of the chain. That will definitely be stored on the Tau chain itself. But if there's any external knowledge that is not part of the core software, but part of a usage scenario of Tau, then yes, for sure, we can consider using IPFS for that. Thank you. Andre has continued advancing the TownNet implementation by creating the architecture and specification for the extra logical APIs that we got questions on earlier. And as such, the crypto libraries and the peer-to-peer communication layers, those are examples of the extra logical APIs. He also rewrote a lot of the testnet code that integrates with these new APIs. But most importantly, he actually put together a framework for the basic architecture of the TauNet node that utilizes the Tau runtime and communications with the extra logical APIs. And this is a major step, I think, because as soon as the rest of the team can deliver some of the missing features in the Tau language, then Andre will have the first running node of TauNet.
Hello everyone. I'm here to share some of the progress I've done over past months with the Tau blockchain. Last month, my main goal and focus and my effort were put into developing the architecture of how Tau blockchain node communicates with actual logical API. That involved not only drawing the architecture itself, but also outlining a detailed description of how Tau program will communicate with axiological API. That was necessary to solidify the approach that we came to. Our solution, initially, I thought the best way is to communicate with axiological API using networking sockets, but we decided for many reasons to create a wrapper around Tau program, making a Tau node run from extralogical API. So you run extralogical API that communicates with its heart, with Tau program inside, and exchanges information back and forth. Also, of course, it involved me to refactor the Tau blockchain code itself, making sure that it aligns with our design decision. Next month, I plan to run as much as possible a local Tau test node to understand what functionality we have at hand right now that we can work with and what functionality we're actually missing. And I will try to work around the functionality that Tau lacks for now, for example, bit strings, but still run actual Tau blockchain node. And that will be a significant step forward for us. So I'm very excited about the advancements and I'm looking forward to the next months and what it will bring us. Thank you all for your continued support and enthusiasm. Keep in touch, stay connected. Bye.